Thank you, everybody, for joining us for the next session in the KNX Dialogue series. Here I am with my guest today, Paul Oye Jimenez, who is the Product Manager Building Automation for Intesis. We're going to be talking about mastering DALI for KNX systems and the Intesis Gateway solutions for integrators. But first, Paul, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And I'd like to offer you the opportunity to tell us a little bit first about Intesis.
Hello, Bob, and hello, everyone. Thanks for your welcome. And yeah, about Intesis, we have a range of product portfolio, very wide range of protocol translators and also AC interfaces, well known in the building automation market. And yeah, I'm ready today to talk about our products.
Thank you, Paul. And today we're going to be talking about a DALI to KNX TP Pro Gateway, right? So, perhaps you can help us with this product transition and tell us a little bit about the product itself.
Yeah, well, um, we are taking place right now, end of this November 2024, a product transition. We go from the previous DALI to KNX Gateway to a new feature updated, prepare for the future market demand. This new DALI 2 to KNX TP Pro Gateway. Um, yeah, and I want to highlight that this product it's very powerful gateway with different DALI features. DALI 2 certified is a multi-master controller, and it's also KNX certified as well. So yeah, I'm very happy to talk to you about this new product that it's coming.
Sounds like a good product. So, in terms of the product, what would be a typical use case, or what use case would you like to talk about today?
Yeah, about the use case, we typically integrate on the DALI bus different DALI components or devices, like could be ACGs, electronic control gears, for different purposes, uh, sensors, occupancy, or light sensors, push buttons, or input devices at the end. So we integrate these different DALI devices or components into the KNX TP installation or the KNX system. Yeah, I have to say that we support up to 64 ECGs or DALI devices, and yeah, different data types of DALI, of the DALI standard. So fluorescent lamps, emergency lighting, low voltage halogen lamps, incandescent lamps, LEDs, and also color control. That it's one of the new topics that we came with this new product.
Let's focus on those new topics for a minute. In terms of this product launch, what are those new features that stand out? You mentioned already the color control. Tell us a little bit about that and some of the other features.
Well, when we compare this product with the previous one, it's very obvious that we have implemented different new features or new topics on this. So one of them is the ETS configuration. So the previous one was configured by our Intesis configuration tool. It's called Maps. But in this case, we saw that it suits better with the KNX integrator, the commissioning through the ETS. So it's compatible with ETS 5 and ETS 6. And the programming of DALI lights is assigned via the device control app, the DCA. Then it also has KNX Secure, KNX Data Secure. So the KNX standard has been extended with KNX Secure. This enables the transmission of encrypted information within KNX. And the secure usage is shown in the ETS and activated or deactivated for different behaviors depending on the user demand. Then we have, as I said, the color control feature. So this gateway supports ECGs for color control and tunable white for multiple color configurations. And this enables the current market trend, the human-centric lighting, that it's a strong demand in the lighting market nowadays. Then we have also all kind of different input devices, as we have said previously. So we have push buttons, absolute inputs, motion brightness sensors, and interesting here to say also in generic inputs. So those sensors like CO2, humidity, temperature, that kind of sensors, right? And finally, the product also comes with MQTT, so it's IoT ready. So the product has an integrated web server with that. Yeah, it's accessible via the IP interface of the device, and we bring MQTT with it, and communication to cloud systems.
Wonderful. So as a gateway, it brings a lot of things that people want today, including, like you said, the color sensibility. People want the ambiance. It's become a necessary function. So let's talk about the configuration options. What do you offer?
Yeah, talking about configuration options, we have 3 different configuration methods that are available for configuring the gateway to suit various projects, needs, and user preferences, So the first one is by ETS, of course, as we said before. So that allows seamless integration with the KNX environment. That it's what the KNX integrators wants. In addition to the DCA and ETS, you can also easily commission the DALI via the integrated web server. For this purpose, connect the DALI gateway to the IP network and configure and execute the settings via web interface, enabling remote access and an easy management of the product of the gateway. And then the third option would be the push buttons and the display the device display on the device. This allows one-side configuration and execution using physical controls and the device display, of course. And this is beneficial for quick adjustments and configuration without additional software. So as you have seen, the product presents flexibility and in terms of commissioning options for sure.
And you have various configuration options, which, on top of the product, that brings a lot of, different quality to it. So let's see, there are a lot of different solutions for DALI integration into KNX nowadays. Now, what is the difference in summary between the Intesis solutions and the others available in the market?
Yeah, good question. Good question, Bob. As you said, there are many options in the market that does this kind of integration. I would say, first of all, so when we start with this product, we have different requirements, and we focus on them. And we did a special focus on the KNX integrators. So first of all, use the familiar configuration tool for the KNX integrators, seamless to do a seamless KNX integration, provide interoperability within KNX systems and devices. Yeah, be updated to the full DALI standard that we have nowadays for different parts of the DALI standard and so on. And then another topic that for me it's very important is to enhance diagnostics and maintenance. Okay, so through fault detection for the connected devices, this simplifies the maintenance and increase the system uptime. So integrators can quickly identify issues, reduce troubleshooting, and ensure a robust lighting management solution. So this basically is what we focus when we were in the conceptual phase of this product. And then of course we have all the features that we have talked about it. So KNX Secure for sure, MQTT, IoT ready, and yeah, and then we suite also this increasing demand of color control and human-centric lighting purposes that the market is demanding nowadays.
Wonderful. Thank you, Paul. And let's now invite the audience to ask us questions about the new Intesis DALI to KNX Gateway. They'll be able to ask you
Perfect.
directly any questions, and thank you.